Ona gutwika makinya ma thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza makuongerera na kugathika magoti makiria ni undu wiyukitie uri wa kuhinyiriria a Kenya aingi. Wani wa President William Ruto ni ati gaka niko gacira karia gie gukura bururi kuma ukombo-ini wa mathiri kihiri. Akiaria hindi ya igongona ria muthi wa ungania wa magoti, Ruto ugite bururi gukorwo ukiaririria ungania wa magoti handu ha kumbanirira kwa ngombo ni undu wa kwirahira.
We cannot and we shall never be fully independent until we are able to independently fund our government and our budget through our own resources raised in the country.
We will continue working together and intensify our revenue mobilization quest that will ensure that we adequately finance the country's budget.
I'm happy that this time round we are having a conversation about not debt but taxes. That is significant improvement.
Itanya ria ruhonge rwa KRA mwaka uyu rirari kungania ciringi tiririoni 3. Ruhonge ruru rukiheo kibarua makiria ni Ruto rwa kuhingia bilioni 4 mwaka ukite.
KRA surpassed their first quarter generation of taxes by 45 billion shillings, equivalent to 8.4% increase in revenue growth.
I know it is achievable. I know it's doable. And next year, I know we can do 4 trillion. I am looking at the day when we will not have any fiscal deficits. And it is not too far from now. Because if everybody paid their bit, we would not need all the fiscal deficits that we have.
Thirikari ni ikoretwo ikiarira mitaratara ya kugacirithia motungata ma muingi kugerera nenda-ini, undu uria President augite wambatiritie ungania wa magoti kuma ciringi bilioni 1.5 nginya ciringi bilioni 9 o mweri.
I note with appreciation that the KRA has been undertaking reforms in this direction, which include the use of technology to integrate the taxpayer revenue administration systems to all real-time and automatic exchange of actionable data.
Ruto no wahete mukana aria mena matanya ma kwiguna na magoti ma muingi, akiheana kiraniro gia guthinga mianya yothe ingitheremia ungumania kana kurehe ucuke hoka ni uhuthiri wa mbeca cia muingi.
For instructions from the president that all taxes, all funds collected from taxpayers and given to us through appropriation by the National Assembly must be used prudently and for the purpose for which they have been raised.
Demand from government that our taxes are used in the proper manner. They are not stolen, they are not corruptly used, they are used in the proper manner. I am really looking for that day when we all pay tax and demand from government that that tax is used properly.
Kiumia giki ruhonge rwa KRA ni rurarurumurire mawoni maruru nenda-ini cia muingi thutha wa gutambia ndumiriri ikonie kugathika magoti indo cia muingi ikiritie ciringi 75,000 iharo-ini cia ndege. Minister wa kigina Njuguna Ndung'u agitheria ndeto ino na kuga gutiri igoti ringigathikwo ritagereirio riendekithia ria magoti.
Therefore, wish to assure our visitors and all travelers to this country that no new taxes have been introduced and that the process of our entry points is smooth and diplomatic, and the customs officers of the KRA have been instructed to ensure this remains the process that is also seamless and should not mishandle our visitors